Hello. Can you hear me, children? Vrissa? Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, here in the school, there was no net up to this time. So now it has come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we know about the prime numbers and the composite numbers. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good morning to all. Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
ma'am.
In the class now. Okay, so prime numbers and composite numbers we have studied, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then one more thing. Next, so that activity was about the prime numbers. Next, let me teach you how many divisibility rules we have studied, children?
Up to 8.
2, 3,
2, 3,
5,
5,
10.
4,
10,
4.
8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Okay. Now remaining is divisibility by 6 and divisibility by 11. Okay, children. Let me teach that also. Afterwards, we'll study about some different types of numbers like co-prime numbers, then composite numbers, common multiples, common factors, all those things. So let me, that in between we have done that activity to teach you about the composite numbers, prime numbers. Okay. So how many prime numbers are there in between 1 and 100?
25.
25 prime numbers. So next is, so do you know about divisibility of 3? Divisibility of 3?
Yes.
Okay. Divisibility of 4? What is divisibility by 3? How will you check divisibility by 3?
If the sum
of all the numbers, and if the
then the number is divisible by 3.
Yes. Geetika, will you tell what is divisibility by 3?
we should sum up all the numbers, and if the sum is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3.
Okay. Then what about divisibility by 4? How will you check divisibility by 4?
The last 2 digits.
Last 2 digits should be a multiple of 4. Okay. And 5. 5 means unit digit should be 0 or 5. Clear? Then next one is divisibility by 6. Okay. So we can start writing. Divisibility by 6. Okay, children. So divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6. Okay, children. Divisibility by 6 means there is no special rule for divisibility of 6. We have to check both the rules of divisibility of 2 and 3. Okay, children? 1 minute. There is no special rule for 3. Okay, but we have to check both the divisibility rules of 2 and 3. Clear? First of all, you have to check the divisibility rule of 2. Then if it is correct, you can check the divisibility rule of 3. Both should be satisfied by one number. Clear? One example I'll give you. Listen, children. If 212, one number is 212. Okay. First of all, you have to check divisibility by 2. Because there is no rule for divisibility by divisibility of 6. There is no special rule for 6. You have to check both these rules, divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. If both are satisfied in one number, then the number is divisible by 6. Clear? So 212, how will you check the divisibility by 2? How will you check?
Ma'am, the unit number should be an even number.
Even number.
So you check whether unit number is an even number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it satisfies. Yes. Divisibility by 2 satisfies. Next one is divisibility by 3. How will you check that divisibility by 3?
Sum of all numbers.
Sum of all numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 2. How much?
5.
5. Does it satisfy here?
No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am.
No. So 1 does not satisfy. So this 212 not divisible by 6. Divisible by 6.
No, yes,
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give one more question. 216. 216. 216. How will you check? What is the first one? This you are checking divisibility by 6.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Divisibility by 6. We are checking divisibility by 6. Okay. But we have to check both 2 and 3. Only that. So now first of all we are checking divisibility by 2.
Ma'am,
We have to write this.
No need of writing. Divisibility by 2. Check.
it is divisible. Ma'am, it is divisible.
How did you understand?
6 is a multiple.
And the
Last
unit
unit digit is a multiple of 2. So divisibility by 2 satisfies. Next one, divisibility by 3. Both should be correct. Okay. So 2 plus 1 plus 6. What is the answer?
9.
9. So is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also correct. So we can write that 216 is divisible by 6. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes,
If one number does not, if both the conditions, in both the conditions, if one condition is wrong means you will stop the process. Okay, 1 minute. I'll give one more question. 313. How will you check this is divisible by 3? How will you check divisible by 2, divisible by 6?
Ma'am, it is not divisible by 2.
2. It is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Okay. So we will stop here. No need of checking the other condition. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is an even number only, we will go for the next condition. If it is odd number, we'll stop here. No need of proceeding. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll write here. Okay. So this is divisibility rule of divisibility by 6. Write the heading, divisibility by 6. If a number is if a number is divisible by 2 divisible by 2 and 3 both. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. Then it is divisible by 6 also.
I'm finished.
Okay, I'll give the example. First, we will write 216 example. Okay. Since 6 is an even number, 216 is divisible by 2. Then 2 plus 1 plus 6 equal to 9. So it is divisible by 3. Therefore, 216 is divisible by 6.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give one more question. Will you check?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Example 2. 297,144. Will you check this? See, children, Kanishk is almost all the days he is absent. Kanishk. Then 2 more children. Some days I'm not seeing them. Vinayak is absent. Many days.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, higher.
Haya. None of the days she came.
Ma'am, I did.
Then Devaganga also. What happened, Devaganga? Some days you are not there. Devaganga.
Ma'am, network problem. Sometimes I couldn't attend.
Yes. Okay. So did you get the answer, children? Okay. What is the first one?
Ma'am, first
What will you check for the first one?
divisible by 2.
Check whether it is divisible by 2.
4 is an even number.
So 4 is an even number.
Even number.
Even numbers.
297,144 is
It is divisible by
2.
2. Next one. Next one is if it's divisible by 2 only, we will go for divisibility by 3. Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Then what is the next condition?
2 plus 9 plus 7 plus
2
2 plus 4 plus 4.
7 plus 1
1
plus 4
plus
plus
4
4.
plus
How
4.
much, children?
27.
27. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 27 is a multiple of 3. Of 3. Therefore, 297,144 is divisible by 6. Did you understand this? So
Yes,
only this rule, we have to check both the conditions. Okay, children? Okay. Okay, children. Shall we, let me move to the next portion. Next divisibility rule. It is last one. It is divisibility by 11. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Shall we move?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
next one is divisibility by 11. It is a very interesting thing. Divisibility by 11. Last one. Divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. I'll give some examples. Okay, you write the heading and I'll give some examples.
Ma'am, we have to write the examples.
Wait. Let me give the examples afterwards. I'll explain it afterwards. I'll give you. Okay. Okay, children. Look at here. 1331. This 1331 is divisible by 11. Okay, this is divisible by 11. So let us find the divisibility rule. Divisibility rule is like this. You take the alternate digits. That is, first you take 1. Then don't take the second one. Third digit. Okay, 1 and 3. Clear, children? I'll give another example. See, 61809. 61809. Okay? See, children? First you take 6. Okay. Then don't take 1. You have to take the next one. Alternate digits. Alternate. What do you mean by alternate? What is the meaning of alternate, children?
One after one.
We have alternate days assemblies. Means
1 day.
Monday, then
Wednesday.
Wednesday, then Friday.
Friday.
What is happening there in between? The next number, next day we are not taking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, divisibility by 11. If you take 6 first number, don't take that 1. You take 8, alternate digit. The next one, next
9.
alternate digit,
9.
9.
9.
Add this, add this. What is the answer? Answer?
23.
23. So next, so we got the answer. Again, when we have to do one more sum, that is the numbers behind in between. No, that number, those numbers we did not take. Okay, what are they? 1 and 0.
1 and 0.
When you add this, what will you get?
1.
1.
And what you have to do is, you have to subtract both these sum. That is 23 minus 1.
22.
22. Check this number, 22. You have to check.
Divisible by 11.
Yes, ma'am. It is divisible by
If this number, when you subtract, you will get one number. No, if that number is a multiple of 11, then this number is divisible by 11. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You should get either a multiple of 11 or 0. Clear, children? You have to get either 22, multiple of 11 or 0. If it happens like that, that now whole number is divisible by 11. Now I'll give one more example. 1, 3, 3, 1. How will you proceed? How will you proceed?
1 plus 3.
First you take first number 1 plus then alternate number 3. What is 1 plus 3?
4.
4. Again
4.
3 plus 1.
Plus
4.
3 plus 1.
4.
That also 4. And you subtract it.
0.
0. You should get 0. So it is either a multiple of 11 or 0. So is divisible by 11. Clear, children? That number is 11 into 11 into 11. 1331, no. 1331. That is 11 into 11 into 11. Clear, children?
Yes.
Did you understand divisibility by 11? That is the last rule.
Yes.
So we will write the rule and afterwards example. Clear? You have any doubt?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt?
No,
Children,
ma'am.
do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, children. So we'll do it. So divisibility by 11. Right. Rule. Find the difference between. Find the difference between. Find the difference between the sum of the digits find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places that is alternate digits, odd places from the right. And sum of the digits at even places. You understood it? It is alternate digits. What I showed you, that is the right thing. Okay. From the right.
Yes.
From the right of the number. If the difference is if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11 or divisible by 11, then the number or multiple of 11. Okay, 1 minute. If the you can see that the sentence is a long sentence, but the process is very easy.
Yes.
Okay. I'll give the previous example to you. The example was
ഇല്ല.
this is the second example for you. This question is for you. You have to do it. Hmm? Yes. You want to see the board? Okay. It's okay now? Did you get the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it divisible?
Yes, ma'am.
How
Yes,
did you check?
ma'am.
How did you check?
By taking the alternative
Ah.
numbers and
Oh,
adding
yes,
it.
yes. What are they?
1 plus 8 plus
1
4.
plus
How
8
much?
plus
13.
30.
Yes, yes. Next number?
0 plus 2.
0 and 2.
Ah.
2.
Answer? 2.
2.
And what did you do for this?
Subtracted.
We
Minus
subtracted.
Subtracted. What did you get?
11.
11.
Is a multiple of 11. So,
multiple of 7.
So
And
this 10,824 is divisible by 11.
By 11.
Okay, children, I'll give the homework to you by next day. That is
Ma'am. Ma'am. അമ്മ 50 മാം ഈ ക്ലാസ് നോക്കി. ഇല്ല. ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല, അവിടെ നിൽക്കില്ല അമ്മ.